we'll guide you through how to update Blender to the latest version. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your internet browser and go to the official Blender website at blender.org. Once you're there, you'll see a prominent download button on the homepage. Click on that button, and it will take you to the download section. Here, you need to select the version compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Click the appropriate download link, and your download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click to open it. If you're on Windows, you'll need to follow the installation wizard by clicking Next and agreeing to the license terms, then choose the destination folder and click Install. On Mac OS, simply drag the Blender icon into your Applications folder. Remember to close any running instances of Blender before proceeding with the installation to avoid any conflicts. After the installation is complete, you can open Blender to verify that it's updated by going to the Help menu and selecting About Blender. This will display the current version number, and you should see the latest release there. Keeping Blender updated ensures you have access to the latest features and performance improvements, so it's a good habit to regularly check for updates. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.